I'm Valerie from Mesa, Arizona, and when I decided I was going to do the program, it was after a long, heartfelt search. I watched my husband use this program and lose 75 pounds, my son lose 90, my daughters lose 45, 25, and 17 respectively, and I didn't think I could do it. I had given up hope on ever losing weight. I've been overweight since I was 11 years old. My mom put me on diets over and over again, but to no avail. By the time I was in high school, I was over 300 pounds. And it's hard to go through life as a fat kid. But as an adult, I finally decided I was gonna do it. I was gonna work out, I was gonna eat right, but I was still overweight and my joints were hurting. Things weren't easy for me to do anymore as I got older. And as I watched this going on with my family, I finally cried uncle and decided to do it. And I had no idea that getting on this program, doing it through 3 times, I was able to drop almost 60 pounds. I'm actually smaller today than when I was a junior in high school. I actually feel better in my 60s than I did in my 30s. And what's really great is I went from a size 18 pant to a size 10, 12. I actually went from a size 3X shirt to a size medium. I cannot tell you the freedom that that's meant for me in my own mind. I was afraid of food. I thought there was bad food versus good food, and I felt guilty every time I ate a food that was bad. But because of the program, because of the science behind it, and because of the doctor-led coaches, I've been able to understand that I don't have to fear food. There is no bad or good food. There is just fuel for the body, and that's probably the most exciting thing about this. What's even the most exciting part though, is I've kept those 60 pounds off for the last 18 months. And I've never been able to do that. And I'm living life and loving it. So I'm so grateful for this program.